In today's video, I'm going to address something that's been bothering me for a little while. And we know that the 2020 Tundra comes with these awesome LED headlights, at least the TRD Pro does. Well, I think most of the TRD models do. But I think one of the issues is the turn signals use these incandescent bulbs. And when you've got your running lights on or headlights on, they can overpower your turn signals and make them hard to see. So I'm going to try installing these JDM A-Star light bulbs that I got off of Amazon. They were just 20 bucks, and I figured it'd be easy and cheap to do. I actually found some other LED lights online that were like $90, and they looked really good and got really good reviews. But for 20 bucks, I figured I'd try these first and see if they made a big difference. So let's go put these in the truck and see how big of a difference these actually make. Now the problem with getting to this is that you've got the driver's side headlight or turn signal is behind the battery, and I had a hard time getting to this. Let's just see how I wound up getting in there to get my arm in there. It wasn't easy. You really got to squeeze your hand in there. You can see the connector there, the gray one. And you just kind of have to push in and twist to the right, and it'll pop out. Let me get the camera set up here so I can get you a better view. Now, I was able to get it out here. I edited. Of course, I set the camera down when I was actually able to pop it out, but you get the idea. Just sits in there, and I'm going to pop that out. We'll just set this over here, off to the side, so I don't lose it. And then let's grab those LED bulbs and see what kind of a difference they make. Alright, you can see the bulb here. It's got these amber LEDs on it. And I went ahead and turned my emergency flashers on, just to make sure I was putting the bulb in correctly. Not sure that it matters if you can put it in backwards or not, but if you do put it in and it doesn't work, just flip it around. And even though I'm using my emergency flashers here, one thing you want to know is when you put the bulbs in, you want to test with your blinker too. The emergency flashers will always flash at the same rate, but if you have an LED bulb that doesn't have the right resistors in it, you'll get a rapid flash, like there's no bulb installed. And we're going to struggle here a little bit once again to get this connector popped back into the housing. Let's take a look real quick and see if there's a difference. So we have the standard bulb here on the left, the LED bulb on the right. I don't know if you can tell so much on camera. It is daylight out when I'm filming, but in person, it's a huge difference. I think these LED bulbs will cut through a lot better than the incandescent. Yeah, the bulb on the right is definitely a lot brighter. Alright, I've got both bulbs replaced now. The passenger side was much easier. Let's close the hood now and take a quick look. And I think these are going to look great. So that's quick and easy, guys. I'll put a link in the description below of these bulbs. They actually say they do not fit on the 2020 Tundra on the Amazon webpage, but you can see right here that they absolutely do, and they work fine. I've actually used them as turn signals and verified that they flash at a normal rate. So thanks for watching, guys. Quick, fast, easy modification, help keep you safe. I think these are going to look awesome.